channel. My name is Lydia, and at the moment I'm kind of doing like a series, like a part 1, part 2, and part 3, just so I can separate it and give you guys more content as I'm on my trip and I won't be able to record, so please bear with me. Today is going to be about my eyeshadow, so yeah. I recently bought the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 02, and I'm going to use this to prime my lids. I'm kind of curious to see like how it is. I've always wanted it. I'm going with the Jaclynhill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to go in with this yellow shade and buff that into my crease and blend it up. Take that bad boy on a Morphe E27 blending brush. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye real quick. Then I'm gonna take a Morphe N433 brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade, this one. I'm gonna buff that also into my crease. And then I'm going to take a Morphe N514, a smaller blending brush, and blend those two together. Do the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here with a packer brush and pack it all straight onto my lid. Take my Morphe M514 small blending brush and blend them together. The clean brush, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 441 and buff the shade out some more. Keep packing on that shade until I get the color I want. Same thing to the other eye. For that, I'm going to clean up and get all of the excess eyeshadow off. Just a very easy, you know, look. I saw this from, I don't know her name, but she will be right here. She's the one who came up with this look, and I just wanted to recreate it in my own kind of small type of twist. Doesn't look as good as hers, but it's whatever. I'm gonna go in with some mascara. This is the Maybelline Cat Eyes mascara. So I'm now going to go in with some lashes. I'm going to go in with the Dodo lashes in the style D301. You can use my discount code. I use these in literally almost every one of my YouTube videos. They are my favorite lash company. You can use my discount code Lydia baby. Get some money off your purse. I'm going to go in with my Kiss lash glue, what is ever left in it. So that is it for the eyes, and I will be seeing you guys in my part 3 of my foundation review.